Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into 30 quick tips for real estate investing. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, these tips will help you make smarter decisions. Let's get started. Not all old houses are created equal. Some are hidden gold mines waiting to be discovered. Learn how to find one and avoid the duds. We'll show you how to assess the condition of old homes, spot features that add unique value, and identify hidden issues like structural problems or outdated wiring. Discover why location matters even more with old homes, and how to find properties in areas poised for growth. Want to flip an old house and cash in big? Start with these expert strategies to turn even the most rundown home into profit. We'll show you how to estimate renovation costs, prioritize upgrades that add the most value, and market the property to the right buyers. From quick cosmetic fixes to full-scale makeovers, learn how to turn a tired house into a dream home and maximize your return. Old houses can look charming, but are they money pits? Watch this before you buy and save yourself from expensive surprises. We'll reveal the most common issues to look for, from water damage and foundation cracks to asbestos and lead-based paint. Learn how to inspect a property thoroughly, when to walk away, and how to budget for repairs. Don't get stuck with a money pit. Know what you're buying. Think renovating an old house has to cost a fortune? Think again. Here's how to create value without breaking the bank. Discover budget-friendly renovation ideas that increase property value without overspending. From restoring historic charm to modernizing key areas like kitchens and bathrooms, we'll show you how to focus on upgrades that buyers love while keeping costs under control. Historical homes can be pure profit, but only if you know the rules. Don't miss these insider tips to make them work for you. Learn how to preserve a home's charm while adding modern conveniences, and understand the rules and grants associated with protected property. Find out why buyers love homes with history, how you can tap into this unique segment of the real estate market. Old versus new, which one's the smarter investment? The answer might surprise you. Let's break it down. We'll compare the pros and cons of both, focusing on renovation costs, long-term value, and market appeal. Understand why old houses often offer greater potential for creativity and higher returns if you know what to look for. Finding a hidden gem isn't luck, it's strategy. Here's how to spot old houses with massive profit potential. We'll cover where to search for undervalued properties, how to analyze market trends, and which features, like large lots or unique architecture, can make an old house a standout investment. With the right approach, you can turn a fixer-upper into a highly profitable venture. Restoring old homes is an art and a science. Learn the secrets to blending charm with profitability. From refinishing hardwood floors to uncovering original. Don't let money hold you back from your dream investment. Discover the best ways to finance your old house project today. We'll explore your options, from traditional mortgages to renovation loans and government grants. Learn how to factor repair costs into your financing and avoid running out of cash mid-project. With the right strategy, you can secure funding and achieve a high return on investment. Want to sell that old house for top dollar? These proven marketing tips will make buyers fall in love instantly. This video covers proven marketing strategies for selling old homes, from staging and professional photography to targeting the right buyers. We'll also share tips on emphasizing unique features and choosing the right timing to maximize your profit. That neglected house down the street, it could be your next gold mine. Here's how to turn it into a dream home and a profit. Learn how to identify which neglected properties are worth your time. Plan a cost-effective renovation and transform a worn-down house into a buyer's dream. From cosmetic fixes to major overhauls, we'll guide you through the process of creating value. Think you can handle all the work yourself? Here's what you need to know before jumping into a DIY renovation. We'll help you identify which tasks you can handle yourself, like painting or landscaping, and when to call in experts for major jobs like electrical, plumbing, or structure. Want buyers to fall in love with your old house? These renovation trends will do the trick. Discover the latest trends in renovating old houses, from open floor plans to eco-friendly updates. Learn how to blend historic character with modern design to create homes that attract buyers and command higher prices. Stay ahead of the market with these renovation ideas. Looking for a high ROI? Emerging markets could hold the key. Learn how to identify up-and-coming areas with growth potential and spot old properties that will appreciate in value as the area develops. Investing early in the right location can lead to incredible returns on your investment. Historical homes can offer unique opportunities for investors, but they come with challenges. Learn how to navigate regulations, secure restoration grants, and preserve a home's historical charm while modernizing its features. With the right approach, you can turn these homes into high-value assets. Should you flip an old house for quick profits or hold it for long-term value? We'll break down the pros and cons of each approach, helping you decide which strategy aligns with your financial goals. Understand market conditions, renovation timelines, and how to maximize returns either way. Buyers judge a house within seconds, make those seconds count. Learn simple, cost-effective ways to boost the property's exterior, from landscaping and paint jobs to restoring original details. Great first impression can significantly increase buyer interest and the property's value. Think you can skip an inspection? Think again. Skipping a property inspection can lead to costly surprises. In this video, we'll explain why inspections are critical for old houses, what to look for during the process, and how to use inspection reports to negotiate a better deal. Protect your investment by uncovering potential issues upfront. Want to save money on your investment? Tax benefits are your best friend. Learn about deductions for renovation expenses, energy-efficient upgrades, and historical property credits. Understanding these benefits can reduce your tax burden and improve your overall return on investment. Don't miss out on these hidden savings. Off-market deals are the secret weapon of savvy investors. Here's how to find them before the competition does. We'll share tips on networking with local agents, working with wholesalers, and exploring auctions or estate sales. These strategies can help you secure the best deals for your next investment. Worried about overspending on renovations? Watch this first. Accurate renovation cost estimates are crucial when investing in old houses. In this video, we'll guide you through creating a detailed renovation budget, prioritizing critical repairs, and avoiding costly surprises. Learn how to balance expenses with expected returns to ensure your project stays profitable. Think old houses are out of your budget? Think again. You don't need a massive budget to invest in old houses. Discover how to find affordable properties with potential, make strategic renovations, and turn even old houses can be energy hogs. Here's how to fix that. Buyers today value energy efficiency even in old homes. Learn how to add insulation, upgrade windows, and install efficient HVAC systems without compromising the property's charm. These upgrades can attract eco-conscious buyers and add significant value to your investment. Not all old houses are built to last. We'll show you how to identify structural red flags, assess the overall stability of a property, and decide whether the investment is. Modern amenities can make an old house more appealing to buyers. Discover how to seamlessly incorporate features like smart home technology, updated kitchens, and luxury bathrooms, while preserving the character and charm that make old houses special. The right contractor can make or break your renovation project. Learn how to vet contractors, get accurate estimates, and ensure quality workmanship. We'll also share tips for managing contractors and keeping your project on schedule and within budget. Market trends can greatly affect the profitability of old house investments. We'll discuss how to stay ahead of trends, identify buyer preferences, and adapt your renovation strategy to meet market demand. Timing and insight are key to maximizing your ROI. Rural areas often offer unique opportunities for old house investors, but they come with challenges. Learn how to evaluate rural markets, consider long-term value, and understand the appeal of countryside properties. This guide will help you make informed decisions. Major renovations can be costly, but the right financing options make them manageable. Discover renovation loans, equity financing, and government programs that can help you fund large-scale projects while maximizing your returns. Multi-unit old houses are excellent opportunities for rental income. Learn how to evaluate the potential of these properties, plan renovations that cater to tenants, and create a steady stream of passive income. This strategy can turn a classic property into a long-term investment success. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Let's grow together.